It's common to have holes in the wall, isn't it? But if you replace all the walls, the cost will be high. This time, I will briefly introduce a partial repair method of gypsum board. It's a good deal if you know that there is such a way and you don't have to spend extra money, right? Please check the thickness of the board you are currently using in advance. Replace the board with a size that can cover the hole. After filling the putty to fill the gap, paste the wallpaper. In fact, the wallpaper is exactly the same product, and if it was made at the same time, it can be partially repaired. However, this time, even if it was the same product, the time of it was made was different, so I replaced it. I briefly introduced it, but please remember that there is a partial repair method. If you press the high rating button to save the video, you can rest assured even if you have a hole in the wall.